Hello guys, in this video I have the Nokia G42 5G Android smartphone. So let's unbox this and see what Nokia has provided us in this box. This phone comes in three colors: pink, gray and purple. I have the purple edition here. If you're looking for a budget-friendly or an affordable 5G Android smartphone, then Nokia G42 might be a contender on your list. Do check it out. This phone is available in India under 13,000 rupees, even though the MRP is 16,000 plus. Alright, let's go straight ahead and unbox this Nokia G42 5G phone. Let me remove the plastic case, and this is what the back looks like. Actually, the colors are pretty awesome. It's as good as the commercials, and the 3-camera setup is also great. It looks very pretty. 50 megapixel AI camera. We have buttons on the right side, the power button plus fingerprint sensor, and the volume buttons are on the right, and on the left we have the SIM card tray, which is a hybrid one, which means you can use either 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card plus 1 memory card. On the top there are no buttons or ports, and at the bottom we have the 3.5 mm jack, noise cancellation, type C charger, and the speakers are at the bottom. And it feels great to hold in your hand. The size is perfect. It feels solid. Now let's see what else we get in the box besides the phone. We have this SIM ejection pin, very necessary. We have some papers like quick start guide and something else which we don't normally read, and we have a transparent back case as well. It's quite flappy, not solid. I'm not sure whether it will be comfortable to use, but it's good Nokia provided this one so that at least you can use this for the time being if you want to get a better one. Now it's funny that we buy good looking phones and then cover up with back case, but it's just a matter of perspective whether we're going to use it or not. And we also get this charger along with USB to type C cable. This is a good thing because nowadays in many of the phones we don't get the charger, we only get the charging cable, so this is a good thing. So to summarize, we get the phone, we get the SIM ejection pin, transparent back case, and we get charger along with cable. Alright, that's all we get in the box. Okay, next we will insert the SIM card and we will power on the phone and explore more. Now this is what the SIM card tray looks like. As already stated, it is a hybrid SIM card tray. You can use either 2 SIM cards or 1 SIM card plus 1 memory card. So I am installing this SIM card, and we have 2 SIM cards set up like this. Or if you want to use a memory card with your phone, then you can use only 1 SIM card. So if you're one of those people who needs dual SIM along with a dedicated memory card slot, then this phone may not be the one for you. Otherwise, this phone comes with 128 GB of internal storage, so that should be sufficient for most users. Alright, now let's power on. The power on and the volume buttons are on the right. Okay, now we have this welcome screen. We can select the language or region and proceed. select our mobile data preference, call preference, SMS preference, and we can connect to the Wi-Fi. This will help you to download and install any updates in the softwares. I'm going to skip for now. If you want to skip, you can skip and continue offline. So we have added the Google account to this phone, and after the setup is complete, this is what the home screen looks like, or main screen looks like. So the Nokia G42 5G phone has Android 13, and it is a clean OS, so you will not find bloatwares or sponsored apps already pre-installed. Yes, you will find some additional Google apps which you can easily uninstall if you don't need. So the Nokia G42 5G is powered by Snapdragon 480 plus 5G chipset, expected to be fast, and the internal storage is 128 GB, RAM is 6 GB plus 5 GB virtual RAM, and the battery is also big enough, 5000 mAh. We have a triple AI camera set up at the back, 50 megapixel. The top one is the main camera, the middle one is the depth, and the bottom one is the macro camera. So considering the configuration bundled on this phone and the fantastic looks, can this phone be one of the best budget or affordable 5G Android smartphone? Do let us know in the comments, and if you have purchased this phone, also do let us know what you like and what you don't like about this Nokia G42 5G Android smartphone. And also please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.